Hey, happy people. This is Tanya Hall of Chocolate Mama. I am back with more on this little series of how to use Thrive Themes. But this time we're going to use Thrive Themes to build an online course. So I'm going to walk you through very quickly on how to set it up and real fast in what we've already been doing in the system on this one site that I've already showed you on how to build it. And I also showed how to create a landing page. So now we're getting into how to create an online course. Very simple. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's go. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell so that you can get all our latest content of how to grow your business, a home-based business solopreneur. You're a one-person business and you need to learn one-person business strategies so that you can be more productive and more visible so that customers can find you. Thanks a bunch. Okay, so we're picking up where we left off in the dashboard and we're going to go to Thrive Apprentice. So we're going to click that. Once we have that, we're going to click Get Started. Great. And then here we're going to identify or create a new page. So we have a button. So we're going to put in recommends and click Add Page and then continue. So now here is where we want to create the actual the design of your page and the name of your new course. So I'm going to call it Get Back to Life. Yes, and you're going to create new design. Give it a second. And there we go. So now we're in the back wizard. So we're just going to click Get Started. And then it's going to ask you about logo. So we're just going to choose and continue. I'm going to change the color here just a little bit and put it back into this color scheme that we've been going with. Maybe give it a little bit of change here, just a small change, maybe a green, but we'll see how that works out. We're going to choose and continue. And then let's get rid of this. All right, great. So now we're basically a blank canvas here. And so now we get to go in and kind of choose our templates, template logos, template everything. So everything about the template, we're going to kind of walk through. And so we have to basically kind of choose which one of these we want to go with here. Headers, selecting, it has a variety, quite a few things here to choose from. So I'm going to do the quick one and then choose and continue. Next, we're getting into footers, what we want the footer to look like. I'm thinking I want to keep it more simple. Simplicity here. I think that one's going to work great. Choose and continue. Let's see. Next, we're going to get into like the course, the page, the home page of the course, and what do you want the page to look like overall. I have quite a few templates here to choose from. As you scroll through here, you can kind of see make more sales. But we're going to open it up, look and figure out which of these is the best for us. Like I said, they have quite a bit of variety, whether you want them stacked, whether you want more color in it. You have to kind of choose which one you are looking for gallery style. They have quite a few options here to choose from. I like this one because it's kind of simplicity, but I also like this one, so I think I'm going to go with course 10. Yeah, I think I am liking that one. This one brings a little bit of that greenish color into it. It's kind of giving me an idea of what the page is going to lay out for. So I'm going to choose and continue. Okay, so now I'm getting more into the course overview. So the entire course, what it's going to look like. So this is the overview page that basically outlines what's all going to be in a course and what's it going to look like. So they have bright, they have dark, they have light. I got boxed, so that means it's a little bit more squeezed in. These are giving you a little bit more color. Dynamic wave, color boxes, those are giving you more coloration in your course. I like a little color. I always like a little color. Let's see, what else do they have? These down here can show you how your author page is going to show up a little bit differently, about the author. Some of them highlight a little bit more on that and make it more visible. Which of these would be best for this course? I think I'm going to go with, yeah, that one. Let's see. Yeah, color wave. I think I'm liking that one. Has a lot of content down here at the bottom. Not sure if I'm going to keep all of that, but I'm going to choose and continue on. Now we're getting back to the menu again. What I want to look like. So I'm going to choose primary. Well, yeah, okay. I'll choose later. I'll continue without choosing a menu. I'll come back to that. Okay, so now we're starting to get into the modules overview. That means like each module, what do you want each module to look like? So I'm going to go in here and see what their selections are. Light, box, again, dark, again, going with the colors, and then also going with the emphasis on, yeah, let's go with the dynamic module. I kind of like it. Yeah, choose and continue. Let's see. What do we have next? So this is sidebars, kind of what you want your sidebar. Do you want a sidebar? The breakdown of the sidebar. Again, I want to keep it clean and simple, not too much color. I don't think I like it clean. So yeah, let's just keep it clean. Choose and continue. So this sidebar 1. Okay, text lessons. So we're getting into if the lesson is a text only, it could just be all text lesson. So let's choose an all text lesson. If the lesson has no video or no audio in it, what do we want it to look like? Let's keep it simple, light, elegant. Do the dynamic lesson. Choose and continue. Great, we're moving right through this. If it's a video lesson, what do I want the video to look like? So we're going to go in and choose one of those. Okay, so if it's a video, what do I want to look like? Look how it changes so dramatically. I like a big prominent video. It's personal choice because I can't see all that well. So I think we're going to go with dynamic video lesson. That's good. The video is big and prominent, but you also can see the other stuff. Choose and continue. Now we're going to do if we have an audio lesson. So that means the front of our lessons are basically audio. What do we want to look like? Let's stay consistent with the lesson as a whole. So I think I'm going to go with dynamic again, and then choose and continue. And that's it. That's all the modules, I do believe. And I'm going to go to the dashboard, and we're all set, all done. You have Back to Life. We've just created your first course through the wizard. Then this last part right here is about your typography. If you want to select different type fonts into it, I think I'm going to pretty much leave the type fonts alone, but I did want to show you that you could go in, and if you want to change your type fonts on your course, you can, and it just want to show you that option as well. Okay, so finally we're gonna back out of this and go back to the main page. We're gonna see recommends and see how it all turns out. Look how beautiful it is. So you get to see what your course is gonna look like on your main page. So again, back here are my tabs that I created on the main page. When you click recommends, the recommends will take you back out to the course so that you can see how you can have an entire course. So you can, have a course where people can pay for or a free course, whichever way you prefer. It all ends with a beautiful course that you'll love and easy to build for your customers to get to your product. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks a bunch. See you in the next one.